Welcome everyone. Today's video lecture is going to be about spelling differences between British versus American English. So sometimes what happens when we write a particular word, we find two different spellings for that same word, right? And we often get confused that which spelling is correct and which one should we have to write. For example, here you can see recognize and recognize. Both the words are same. Okay, the meaning of both the words are same. But here you can see S is using. Okay, in this word, they are using the letter S. And in this recognize, you can see Z is there. Instead of S, Z is there. So what is the difference? Which one is valid spelling? Which one is correct spelling? So let me tell you, Britishers, they use this one. Okay, they use this Recognise, and Americans, they use this Recognize. So Britishers, they have different format of writing some spellings, and Americans, they have some different spellings for the particular word. So today in this video lecture, we are going to see that spelling differences between British versus American English. So let's move on and see some more words in British and American English that where we find some spelling differences. Okay, so yes, OUR versus OR. So what is this? Now here some words are there. Some famous words, some famous spellings you can see here. Color, flavor, humor and labor. Now these words, you can pronounce, the pronunciations are similar, the meanings of these words are similar, but the spelling, here you can see OUR is used, and here you can see only OR is used at the end of the word. Okay, so if we will talk about the history of these words, okay, if we will talk about the history of these words originally come from Latin. Okay, and the ending of this word, the common sound is OR. Okay, so the history of English languages, see, English is a language that is consist of many other languages like French, Latin, Greek, Dutch, Spanish etc. इंग्लिश ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जो दूसरी लैंग्वेजेस जैसे फ्रेंच हो गई, लैटिन हो गई, ग्रीक हो गई, डच हो गई, स्पेनिश, इन सारी लैंग्वेजेस को मिलाकर, इन सारी लैंग्वेजेस से कुछ वर्ड्स लेकर इंग्लिश कंसिस्ट हुए. तो ये जो वर्ड्स है, इनकी हिस्ट्री ऐसी है कि ओरिजिनली ये वर्ड्स लैटिन लैंग्वेज से लिए गए. तो ब्रिटिशर्स, दे यूज OUR एट द एंड ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स, बट अमेरिकन, they used OR at the end of these words, like color, flavor, humor, labor. Both the pronunciations are same, meaning of these words are same, but the spelling is different. Okay, now let's see some nouns. RE versus ER. Okay, now here we will see the words center, liter, meter, theater and fiber. In the British English, they use RE at the end of the word. RE, see, this format has come from French language, but Britishers, Americans, they use ER at the end of the word. ER. British, they use RE at the end of these words, but Americans, they use ER at the end of these words. RE spelling format, this spelling format originally come from French, but in United States of America, it was replaced with ER. They replaced that format with ER. Okay, so center, liter, meter, theater and fiber, these spellings of the Britishers, they write RE at the end of these words according to the French writing format, but Americans, they replace that method and they use ER at the end of this word. Okay, now let's see some more words. Now these words you will analyze and paralyze. Okay, analyze and paralyze. See here, end with Z E Z. So these words that are ending with ZE, okay, analyze and paralyze, commonly acceptable in US English, but in UK you must have to use analyze and paralyze, ending with SE and ending with SE. So in US they use analyze and paralyze, but in UK you must use analyze and paralyze. Okay, let's see the next. So these words, you may see some the pronunciation, the spelling of these words are quite different, but the meaning of these words are same, like aeroplane versus airplane, jewelry versus jewelry, sulfur versus sulfur. Now you can see the spellings are quite different, okay, but the meanings of these words are same. These words are used in British English, and these words are these spellings are used in American English. So yes, so today we have seen some spelling differences between British and American English. So next time if you will get confused between between one word that has two different spellings, to make sure to check that which format you are using. Sometimes what happen, कभी कभी हम लोग जब मोबाइल में लिखते हैं तो अगर वर्ड आपका सही भी है तो उसको रेड अंडरलाइन दिखाता है, या फिर आप कंप्यूटर में कुछ टाइप कर रहे हो, भले आपकी स्पेलिंग सही हो लेकिन उसको रेड अंडरलाइन दिखाता है. तो मेक श्योर आपने कौन सा टाइप कीपैड डाउनलोड किया है. अगर आपने यूएस इंग्लिश वाला कीपैड डाउनलोड किया है या फिर विंडोज़ डाउनलोड किया है तो आपको आपने ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश वाला डाउनलोड किया है तो आपको अमेरिकन इंग्लिश के जो स्पेलिंग्स है वो गलत बताएगा वो. और अगर आपने अमेरिकन इंग्लिश का फॉर्मेट डाउनलोड किया है तो आपको ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश के नीचे रेड अंडरलाइन दिखाएगा. तो मेक श्योर अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर ये प्रॉब्लम आप फेस करते हो तो मेक श्योर दैट आप चेक कर लो कि आप कौन सा फॉर्मेट यूज़ कर रहे हो स्पेलिंग का. लेट मी टेल यू, बोथ द स्पेलिंग्स आर वैलिड. दोनों भी अपनी अपनी जगह सही है, बट स्पेलिंग डिफरेंसेस हमको ब्रिटिश और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में देखने को मिलते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको इसके पहले वीडियो में वोकैबुलरी का डिफरेंस बताया था. सम वर्ड्स दे यूज़ डिफरेंट इन ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश एंड सम द सेम वर्ड अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में कुछ अलग तरह से बोले जाते हैं. तो इसी तरह स्पेलिंग डिफरेंसेस भी हमने देखा. तो होप दिस वीडियो विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू ऑल. सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर.